vase, vase, vase. She placed a bouquet of roses in the vase. Wall, wall, wall. He hung a painting on the wall. Wind chimes, wind chimes, wind chimes. The wind chimes made a beautiful sound in the breeze. Alarm clock, alarm clock, alarm clock. My alarm clock rings at 6 a.m. every morning. Bed, bed, bed. She lay down on the bed to rest. Bathrobe, bathrobe, bathrobe. He put on a bathrobe after taking a shower. Bedside table, bedside table, bedside table. She placed a lamp on her bedside table. Bedsheet, bedsheet, bedsheet. She changed the bed sheets every week. Bedspread, bedspread, bedspread. The blue bedspread matches the curtains. Blanket, blanket, blanket. She pulled the blanket over her shoulders to stay warm. Bunk bed, bunk bed, bunk bed. The children love sleeping on their bunk bed. Clothes, clothes, clothes. She bought new clothes for the winter season. Comb, comb, comb. He used a comb to fix his hair before going out. Comforter, comforter, comforter. She snuggled under a warm comforter on a cold night. dressing table, dressing table, dressing table. She keeps her makeup and mirror on the dressing table. Duvet, duvet, duvet. She bought a new duvet for the winter. Double bed, double bed, double bed. The hotel room has a comfortable double bed. Fan, fan, fan. She turned on the fan to cool down the room. Mat, mat, mat. She placed a mat at the entrance to wipe her feet. Mattress, mattress, mattress. A good mattress helps you sleep better. Pillow, pillow, pillow. She rested her head on a soft pillow. Pillowcase, pillowcase, pillowcase. She changed the pillowcases every week. Sofa bed, sofa bed, sofa bed. They bought a sofa bed for the guest room. Wallpaper, wallpaper, wallpaper. She chose floral wallpaper for her bedroom. Wardrobe, wardrobe, wardrobe. She keeps all her dresses in the wardrobe. Apron, apron, apron. She put on an apron before cooking dinner. Baking tray, baking tray, baking tray. She placed the cookies on the baking tray before putting them in the oven. Basket, basket, basket. She carried a basket full of fresh fruits. blender, blender, blender. She used a blender to make a smoothie. Bowl, bowl, bowl. He ate a bowl of soup for lunch. Cabinet, cabinet, cabinet. She stored the plates in the kitchen cabinet. Can opener, can opener, can opener. He used a can opener to open the tin of beans. Chopstick, chopstick, chopstick. He is learning how to eat with chopsticks. Coffee maker, coffee maker, coffee maker. She turned on the coffee maker to brew some fresh coffee. Cooker, cooker, cooker. She prepared dinner using a gas cooker.